Many of us interact with people who are not our friends on Instagram, and sometimes you might want to check a message that they have sent but not to be seen. When you check any DM on Instagram, it is immediately marked as seen for both you and the other person who has sent it. WhatsApp has the option of turning off read receipts like the blue ticks, but Instagram has no such features. So in this video, I'll be showing you how can you read messages without being seen on Instagram. So let's not waste any more time and let's get straight into the video. However, there are two ways how you can check DMs on Instagram without it being marked as seen. One is a temporary solution, the other is more permanent, depending on why you want to be seen reading the DMs. You can decide which one you want to use. The temporary solution to read DMs without letting the sender know is to open the Instagram and go to your DM section. This will load all your new DMs. Now open the smartphone control center and turn off the mobile data and Wi-Fi. Go back to your DMs and make sure the mobile data and Wi-Fi are still off. If you check the DMs now, you will not see the seen report since your internet is off. When you spot a DM from someone you don't want to be seen by, but you still want to read the message, don't click on the message obviously. Go to the concerned person's profile. Next, you need to restrict this person. Now click on the three dots on the top right corner of your profile page and select restrict and restrict account. Restricting the accounts limits unwanted conversation with the person you have to unfollow or block them. You will also get to decide if the comments made by this restricted person on your post are visible to everyone or not. Also, their messages will be now moved to the message request folder so that they won't be able to see if you have read it or not. So you cannot be seen while reading their messages. Now if you unrestrict them and read the messages, the scene will pop up on their profile. Also their messages is going to be moved to the messages request folder so that they won't be able to see if you have read any of their messages or not. So you cannot be seen now as you have restricted their account. If you unrestrict them and read it again, you will be able to see the seen sign on your profile and their profile too. So this was all for the today's video. If you liked the video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more such videos. So for all that and more, I will see you in the next video.